My name is Heather Thomason. I'm a butcher and the founder of Primal Supply Meats in Philadelphia. And it was belonging to food co-ops, shopping at local farmers markets, getting to know local farmers made me realize how much there was a need for more custom butchery and support of local farmers. Primal Supply is a modern butchery, and we have a focus and commitment on supporting local agriculture. So we work directly with local farmers in our region, producing meat fully on pasture, 100% grass-fed beef, and we buy everything as whole animals from local farmers, and we break, process, and cut and sell everything here in our facilities. But I do think we pull the big ones. But everything comes in here, so all of the animals arrive whole. We have a team of butchers that works in the cold cut room to break and further process the animals. Some of that meat we will wholesale to restaurants around the city. We work with some of the best chefs in Philadelphia. You can walk in, you can talk to a butcher over the counter, you can get some education about where a cut comes from, how to handle it. Because we're a whole animal butcher, there's a lot of really important education that happens. And I think that access to butchers and the community and the in-person education is something that's really important for us to sort of build up more awareness and demand for local meat in the city and the community around us. I've been practicing dry age for years in multiple facilities, always working in an open air walk-in cooler. And we just really had inconsistent results. Once we got the Dryiger units and we could start working in them and we could just manage the product so much better. There's so much consistency, and it's a combination of things. It's the temperature and, even more importantly, the humidity control. The UV and prevention of bacteria and mold growth creates an incredibly consistent product. So the texture of the meat is consistent with time. And the flavor of the meat is incredibly consistent, which I think is wonderful. If you have someone who comes in and they have an amazing experience with a steak, I want them to come back the next week or the next month or even next year and chase that thing that they had and try to have that experience again. The ability for us to have our product, which is of the highest quality and we're incredibly proud of it, on display to our customers is really just added value for the units. Because so much of this was happening behind the scenes, it was in walk-ins, it's something that we could tell people about, but they couldn't see it. So to have those units display as a merchandising case is amazing. It prompts conversation and education about it, it promotes demand, and that just, it helps us to market and sell the product.